And because there are some few strategies which I have been planning to tell you while you are preparing for unit exam. First, to get 160 marks and 160 plus marks in NEET, there are few strategies which you can follow. Definitely, this will give you a very good result. First thing is making a short notes for the last minute revision. For every lesson, make a short note. That's make the content in a very little content, make it in a short note, so that the day before your exam, definitely this short note will help you a lot. See, children, the moment you read the short note, our brain will enlarge that points. It keeps enlarging the points and it will recollect all the other things. So better to make short notes for each and every lesson. And the next thing is start intensive revision as soon as you complete your NEET syllabus. Start intensive revision. Revision should be done number of times. More number of revisions have to be done. Don't at all just leave for one time. Revisions are required, because more number of revisions you do, definitely you will have more clarity. First time when you read and second time when you read, you have different type of analysis what you're doing for the lesson. And while you're doing revision, please take the help of the teachers. And while you, whichever sentence you have not understood, please go to the teacher, ask him number of times till you understand the concept, till you understand it. Revisions have to be done intensively. While doing revision, see that none of the concept is which you don't understand. Everything you have to understand that. Next is practice as many sample papers as you can. Just revising and reading is not sufficient, children, for NEET. You have to do number of sample papers. Take a sample paper and do it. Of course, in the once you do a sample paper also, you may get out of, for example, let me have done 20 questions. Out of just you got only 2 correct. Just don't, of course, it really pains you a lot, because you think that, why did I get this much of less? See, children, the way you read and the way we question is completely different, children. There's a lot of difference we ask. The content is different, the question is different. So you will only understand the subject more while you do your sample papers. Sometimes I also suggest my children, if ever you are not very good at concept, you are unable to pick up with the concept, even though the teacher is telling number of times, go with the bits, directly go with the bit. With the bit, go with the teacher again. Go to the teacher and ask, explain this bit. Then the teacher keeps telling, then you please adopt that into your bit. That will give you more analysis. That means more understanding. So bits will definitely, number of sample papers are required. Next, practice last year question papers. That means previous year papers, please do it. Without doing previous year's papers, it is your preparation is completely incomplete. So preparation of practice last year papers, previous year papers are very much required. Next is NCERT in-text questions, solved as well as unsolved, must be covered. NCERT, all the in-text questions, whatever is given in the blocks is solved, unsolved, as well as must be covered, and along with the answers. And I don't even deny saying that even though if at all you remember the answer also, it doesn't matter. It doesn't, this thing, it's not a mistake. You better remember also. It's because some questions are asked in NEET, directly the same question is being, whatever is there in your NCERT book, the same along with the same numbers, with not even the numbers are being changed, the questions are being asked. So if at all that set of questions are come, definitely it will saves your time a lot.